Hello, today we're going to look at interactive learning games and how they can be beneficial for students at home and at school. So what are interactive learning games? These are fun and engaging ways of practicing new or previously learned material. These are already provided to you online, but you can also make your homemade versions of these learning games. They're made by various institutions, teachers, and you can create them yourselves as well. So two that we're going to look at are Kahoot and Quizlet. So first let's look at Kahoot. Kahoot is a website that allows you to create, edit, or select content for review. Or you could use it as an introductory lesson or as a post-quiz to look to see how much they've retained through your lesson. Students can join in the classroom as an activity, or they can participate at home through a group activity at home that parents decide to do, or even as a homework assignment where a group of friends gets online at the same time and plays the game. This allows opportunity for social interaction in a safe and appropriate manner. Kahoot as an online game used in the classroom creates a context in which cooperation as well as autonomy can be observed. So let's take a quick look at Kahoot. So Kahoot, as you can see, is a simple setup. You come in, parents can sign up, or students can sign up as well. This is their home base page. So if you want to play and you're in your classroom, they type in kahoot.com and they can click on play. Each game has given a code. So you would type in your game pin and it would automatically hook you in as a player, where you can go and you answer a certain amount of questions and different logos will pop up and you click on it. Then your teacher will tell you if you're right or wrong, as well as you'll get feedback on the screen. So as you can see, this is what it would look like on their screen as you were playing this game. And the teacher has their own board as well, so they can see who hasn't answered or who has answered and how fast they answer. This is a list of ways that Kahoot says that they can really help. Review, revise, reinforce, re-energize, and reward. Teachers can get classroom insights, gather opinions, motivate teamwork, challenge past results. You can join other classrooms, introduce new topics, turn learners into leaders, and teach other teachers. So that's one site we've looked at. The next site we're going to look at is Quizlet. And Quizlet is pre-made or teacher-made study materials, but parents, you can also make your own materials as well. Students and parents have access to the study materials and games wherever you go. So like you see on the page, it can be accessed from any device. So whether you have iTunes or you have Android, it's in all of those, it's able to be accessed from all of those sites. It's also to open up students of all ages. So whether you're in first grade or in college, you can access this material. So let's take a quick look at Quizlet. As you can see, I've already signed in. You can either create your own by hitting create, giving it a title, and then you can enter your terms and your definitions. You can change who it can see it by clicking on this button, so that way you can make it only to yourself or to certain classes. So if you're a teacher and you only want your first grade class seeing it, you can click on that. Or you can do people with a password. So if you just want to set it to your class and you can go home and look at it, if that's what you would like to do. As you can see, I've already made my own, but I've also selected some by just researching the terms. And this is all accessible to you from going on to Quizlet. So to kind of wrap up what we've just talked about, we see the benefits of using online learning games. They motivated students can consume more content, use more tools, dedicate more time to thinking, and make an effort to answer questions correctly. There's an increase of student engagement, and that engagement can benefit academic scores. So please take some time to go look for some learning games and enjoy.